Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Work is underway to set up world-class packing houses and labs, Agriculture Minister.
On-site production of liquid feed enzymes, a unique globally applied tool.
Invitation to the Balance Media Conference 2021 by Bueller.
Noah Fit, unlock the potential for lactose-free and reduced sugar yogurt.
Orbian experts bring preservation know-how to IPPE.
Argil issues 2021 World Mycotoxin Report to give animal feed industry actionable insights to improve performance and health of their animals.
Argil expands portfolio of artificial intelligence-powered innovations to give poultry producers actionable insights.
Implementation of weather forecasting-based agricultural advisory services can increase crop yields by 7 to 10%.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Mill Tech is Tan Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.